guys, this is what it looks like up under both of my bathroom sinks. I know it's a mess, it's a hot mess, but you know what, we're gonna go ahead and declutter this and get it organized. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, you guys, everything is all cleaned out. So now it's time to wipe it down really good. And so as always, I am going to be using my Mr. Clean to wipe it down really good, get it all fresh and clean. So that's what I'll be using to wipe everything down with. And so once I wipe everything down and complete, we're gonna have to place down some liners, you guys. And so the liners that I did purchase, I got them from the Dollar Tree. You guys will be seeing those in a moment. But I just wanted to, first get everything clean and wipe down, of course, because that is so very important. So these are the liners that I got from the Dollar Tree. If you can tell, it is a nice size. It's going to be enough just to actually fill this space. I only got one roll. It's only going to take probably one. I don't even know if it's going to take a whole roll to actually do just this small cabinet space. But if you want to get some liners at an affordable price, you can find these at the Dollar Tree. So there's no, no trick or trade to it. I just, lay them down and, just try to line them up the best I can. You guys, this doesn't have to be precise. And for you perfectionists out there, you may want to make sure you cut all the edges right and stuff. But for myself, not so much. I just wanted to be down there so it could be able to just protect the surface.
Okay, you guys, let's start from here. Right here is like miscellaneous makeup stuff that I use, and I just wanted to just sort everything out. And here are some more excess toothbrushes. This is a container that I got from the Dollar Tree, you guys, and I got it specifically for this purpose. So I keep like all my, my combs and brushes in there. Here's some more, healthcare products right here, medicines. Here is the shampoo, conditioners, and sprays and gels and stuff like that. Right here in this section right here. Here's mouthwash. Here is some deodorant. I had a container where I like to stockpile and stuff like that. So the men's deodorant I'm going to take downstairs for my son because it doesn't belong up here in my room. But this is the deodorant. Band-aids. Here's some more like body cream and Vaseline. Bandanas, flexi rods, hair care utensils, razors. And these are the containers that I am going to probably reuse, so that's why I went ahead and empty those. You guys, this is stuff that definitely doesn't belong in my sink. So I have to put it where it belongs. These things gotta go somewhere and not up under my sink. So yeah, great progress. So now you guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and actually place them in some more containers that I have from the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, hi you guys, this is the progress that I did. I think I did pretty good. You guys, don't give up on the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has some great items you can use to help organize and, make sure everything has a home. So this is pretty much what I came up with. Now I'm hoping, since I had to use more bigger items, that I will be able to actually put them up under my master bedroom sink. So
Alright you guys, this is the finished product and I love the way everything turned out. I tried to keep, the items that I use on a day-to-day basis toward the front and things that I don't use on a day-to-day basis toward the back to make it easier. But yes, you guys, this is the finished look. I love it. I'm so happy. It looks so much better than it did before. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope it was like a motivation for you guys to declutter, because believe you me, this was truly a task, and I'm glad that you guys were here to go through this task with me. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye you guys.